morning! The jungle is full of sunshine and songs. Here is a little bird singing happily on the branch. And look, a playful monkey is swinging from the trees. The monkey wants to join the little bird's song. He tries to sing, but oh, his voice is very funny. The little bird laughs, but kindly and sweetly. Now the bird teaches the monkey how to sing slowly. Yay! Now they sing together in the jungle. Other jungle friends come to listen and clap along. The sun sets, and the little bird and monkey smile happily together.